Hello, this is Jack. I work in Yiwu market as a guide. Today, I'm going to show you some feathers. Alright, now we are in a feathers store here. You can see there's some finished products. And on this wall, these are some semi-products. Okay, now I'm going to show you this feather. Okay, so for this one, you can see here. So they have so many colors. So many colors. Oh, right. So, you see this? So this is a, let me see, this is a 5-inch goose feather. They are available in many colors. For this, the price we get here is 0.045 Chinese yuan per piece. If it's packed in 100 pieces per pack, it will be 0.65 US dollars per pack. So this is the 5-inch size. Wait. And here we have, this is the 10-inch size. Okay? When you see 10-inch size, it's here. It's all this. So these are 10-inch sizes. And for this, oh, I'm sorry, this is 7-inch. 7-inch. For this, the price is 1.14 per pack if we pack in 100 pieces. Okay, so this is the second size for the goose feather. And then we have this. This is a special feather. It's special for one goose, only a few pieces. You see this? We say this is a knife goose feather. For this, it's about also 10 inches. 10 inches, the price is 0.45 Chinese yuan per piece. If it goes to US dollars, it's like a 6 cents per piece. Okay, so this is a goose knife feather. All right. You see the packs. So they can pack as per your budget. If you want $1 per pack, they will pack it in $1. Maybe there's 100 pieces. If you want $2 per pack, they can pack in $2, 200 pieces in a pack. So they can pack to your quantity and to your price. Okay, so this is some goose feather. And now we come to turkey. Some turkey feathers. So these are the big turkey feathers. Let me just take it out. Oops. Ooh. Turkey feathers. Okay. So for the turkey feathers, well, the price here is 0.38 Chinese yuan per piece. When it comes to US dollars, it's like a 5 cents per piece. And it can pack up to your requirement, which means it can pack to your money and pack to your quantity. Okay, so these are the big sellers. These are the popular big sellers. They are turkey feathers, and you can see here. So these are all the colors of the turkey feathers. And let me check the size. I think I got the size somewhere. But where are the size? Let me just show you the size now. When we come here, it's about 30 centimeter. So that is like 10 inches. It's more than 10 inches. So it's probably like a 12 inches or whatever. Let me show you on the calculator. So it's for 30 divided by 2.45. So that comes to 12 inches. Okay. So for this, 12 inches. So let me put it here. This is 12 inches. Okay. So these are the 12 inches turkey feather. The price is 5 cents per piece, and it can pack up to your requirements. All right. So for this feathers, basically, they can deliver in 2 weeks' time. They have the feathers in stock, but after our order, because we need to dye in many colors, so it will take time for them to dye the colors. So normally, for MOQ, for the minimum order quantity, it's up to the value. It's normally like they start with $300, and you can have 3 or 4 colors, and you can have it in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks time. Okay, so that's about the best selling feathers here. Thank you very much. I'm going to show you more